It's been 2 weeks since I returned back to Germany, and I haven't done any serious cleaning, like deep cleaning. I do deep cleaning once in a month, especially our bedroom and our kitchen. So since I came back, I haven't done it. And I was in Nigeria for almost 3 months. Not almost 3 months. I was in Nigeria for 3 months and 3 weeks, almost 4 months. So there's no way that my husband will clean this house the way I want it to be cleaned. So today I am starting with our bedroom. I still have the kitchen to clean, but I'm not going to clean today. I'm just going to take my time and concentrate on the bedroom so that I'll be able to vacuum. It is still winter, or the beginning or the ending of winter. So we have a lot of dust from the high sun, the heater. The heater produces a lot of dust. It's not the dust that comes from the streets, from the soil, but the dust that comes from clothes, that come from the dryness in the room. And we have a lot of also cobwebs. I don't know where the cobwebs come from. I've never seen a spider here before, but in the room, but I don't know where the cobwebs come from. So today I'm going to be taking away the cobwebs, clean the wardrobe, clean the bed, clean the windows, clean everywhere. No, I'm not cleaning the window. I'm just going to clean the window back. And one of the things that I am grateful for is that my husband was able to arrange the whole of the clothes back into the wardrobe, and there was nothing down. And the cartons that I have here are a lot, and some of the shoes and slippers are the ones that I took to Nigeria and I left them in Nigeria. Yes, I left all the clothes that I traveled to Nigeria in Nigeria, because most of them, in fact all of them, I don't wear them in Germany. So I don't see any reason I should always carry my clothes back to Nigeria and then bring it back to Germany. Like this year, I just decided most of the clothes I traveled home with are the clothes I traveled home with 2 years ago. Okay, so why is it that I'm using my luggage to bring the clothes back to Germany? So I decided this time around that I was going to just leave my clothes in Nigeria, so that anytime I want to travel, I won't be carrying a lot of things. Yes, and the thing is that even if you don't carry a lot of things, you still have clothes in Nigeria to wear. I know that people want to go home, maybe they will not want to repeat their clothes. Not me. I repeat my clothes. The clothes are good. The clothes are good quality. I buy the thing that I know that I can wear in Nigeria and have free. Like I don't buy tight things. So even if I bring them back, it's still the same clothes I'm going to be taking home. Okay, so if you travel to Nigeria often, try and leave some of your clothes there to reduce your luggage, so that when you're coming back, use it to buy things that are meaningful, reasonable, things that you will use in Germany. So I am through with cleaning. I've cleaned the walls, cleaned the windows, cleaned the mirrors. I'm just cleaning the bed right now. It's not as if I lay the bed every day, but this day I want to lay the bed. The bedsheets are different colors, but who cares? Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.